Hi. What's up? Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. Thank you for clicking on this video. Let's get started. So today's video is requested ? I kind of have an inkling that it was requested, but you know what? It doesn't matter. Anyway, here's like 60 to 70-ish video ideas. If you are a YouTuber and you're trying to come up with some ideas, because coming up with video ideas is hard, so here you go. So the video ideas under this category don't really have too much in common other than they will do well according to YouTube's algorithm and they're really fun to make. Number one is what's on my phone, what's on my iPhone, what's on my insert phone here. Those always do really well statistically. Next one, also similar, what's on my iPad or what's on my tablet, what's on my laptop, what's on my insert other technological device. What I eat in a day. What I eat in a day realistically, what I eat in a day is a vegan, what I eat in a day is a vegetarian, what I eat in a day not vegan. Literally, you could do a billion different iterations of that. Pulling an all-nighter. Everybody likes watching people stay up till all hours for some reason. It's really entertaining. Decluttering / deep cleaning blank, so like your closet, your bedroom, your bathroom, whatever. Things to do when you're bored, especially applicable during quarantine. Insert season bucket list ideas, so like summer bucket list ideas, fall bucket list ideas, or completing my insert season bucket list. Room tour / apartment tour / house tour / car tour / tour of any structure. Unpopular opinions video, those are fun to watch. Q&A video, or like giving my subscribers advice or reacting to assumptions about me. Then this one could either be reacting or recreating, so reacting or recreating old pictures, old videos, old outfits, a week / a day without technology or social media. Ranking blank, so going on to like one of those websites and creating a tier list for, I don't know, snacks, music, television shows. My favorite YouTubers / Netflix shows / movies / podcasts, so like your entertainment favorites. Redecorating my house / apartment / bedroom / bathroom / once again any structure. DIY room decor, DIY home decor. And the last one under this category is snack ideas, lunch ideas, breakfast ideas, dinner ideas, really any food ideas. Upcycling my closet, so taking some of your old clothes and repurposing them, upcycling jeans, upcycling thrift store finds, upcycling whatever really. Insert store season, so like, I don't know, Princess Polly try on haul or fall try on haul or back to school try on haul, basically any haul. DIY, insert trendy clothing item here, so like DIY bandana top. Outfit ideas for when you have nothing to wear / for school / for summer / for any occasion. My favorite clothing items from insert store here. Blank hairstyles for blank. For example, cute hairstyles for summer or trendy hairstyles for back to school. Get ready with me for insert event here. What I wear in a week as a blank, so like what I wear in a week as a teen. Finally, my shoe / jewelry / hair accessory / hoodie / jeans collection. And school. So this category is really good for right now because it's back to school season, even though technically all of these videos could be made at any time of the year. So the first one, school supplies haul. How I take notes in middle school / high school / college. What's in my backpack? College dorm room tour. Online college or like normal college / school week in my life. College / high school / middle school advice from insert your grade level / age right here. Tips to pass insert tests, so like tests that are widely taken throughout the world, and apps you need for school. This category is on the smaller side, but I thought I'd include it because these fitness type videos are becoming super popular on this platform. So here you go. Trying popular workout programs. You can try them and review them for your subscribers. Running a mile or like 5 miles, whatever you want, for a week. Or for like a month if you're really feeling it. Chloe Ting challenge video. And how I work out in a week. And since basically the dawn of YouTube, routine videos have been so popular, so here's some routine videos that you can film. Self-care / reset routine, productive / relaxing / 5 a.m. morning routine, quarantine daily routine because we are still in quarantine, insert season daily routine, skincare / hair care / makeup routine, finally productive school / work week in my life, or work day, whatever you want. So this category is just video ideas that feature social media or kind of feature technology. How I edit my Instagram pictures, apps that I use to edit my Instagram pictures / YouTube thumbnails, how I plan / brainstorm my YouTube videos, blank ways to creatively edit your Instagram stories or like just normal Instagram pictures, how to take Instagram pictures at home, or like how to do a professional photo shoot at home, creative Instagram photo shoot ideas, recreating insert celebrity here's Instagram photos, recreating aesthetic Pinterest pictures or like VSco pictures, how I edit my YouTube videos, and then you could go more in depth, so like how I edit my YouTube videos using iMovie, Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, other ones, testing popular TikTok recipes, trying viral TikTok life hacks or DIYs, and recreating popular TikToks. These are just videos that you can film in a sort of vlog style, a more casual style, if you know what I mean. So the first one is a spontaneous day in my life, so set a day where you don't. So just vlog a day where you don't have a single thing planned and just see where the day takes you. Taste testing blank. So for example, like trying every donut at Dunkin'. Another example could be like the best coffee chain. Any travel vlog. Travel vlogs are just great. Also car vlogs too. Testing my subscribers' favorite blank. Testing maybe like your subscribers' favorite Starbucks orders, or Chipotle orders, or donut orders. I'm really talking a lot about the donuts here. Thrift / apartment / dorm / grocery / clothing shopping with me videos, recreating album art covers. Then another thing you could do is a quarantine glow up / summer glow up / really any type of glow up video. The last idea, I wasn't really counting how many ideas I've had, but this is the last one, and that is a blank day in my life. So an unusual day in my life, a normal day in my life. And that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Comment down below any other video ideas you might have, and comment down below if you want me to do any of like the ideas that I told you to do. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell on, and I will see you next time. Have a great rest of your day. Bye!